Let me ask you a question. Have you ever been asked to send or receive money via Venmo? How safe really is that app? I'm for the CyberGuy, and all my tech hacks and tips are over at CyberGuy.com. That's where you can sign up for my free CyberGuy Report newsletter. I received an email from one of my CyberGuy Report subscribers asking if Venmo is safe to use. Venmo's a super handy way to send money to your friends, family. However, there is a dark side, and you should make sure to take security precautions and avoid scams if you do use the app. Common Venmo scams involve you receiving a random amount of money, and then they'll comment on the transaction saying it was a mistake, asking if you could please send it back. If you ever receive money from someone you don't know on Venmo, contact Venmo. Do not transfer the balance to your bank account or don't send it back immediately. The case is most likely that the scammer used a stolen credit card to send the funds, which Venmo will eventually catch and reverse. If you keep that money, you'll then have it taken out of your bank account. If you send it back, you've just fallen for the scammer's trap by handing them cash they can transfer to their own bank account. Aside from the usual risk of using online financial services, Venmo is typically very safe as they encrypt your information. However, they're not insured by the FDIC. So my first tip is to never leave a balance in your Venmo account if you receive money from someone you trust. Next, make sure you have a PIN set up on Venmo and don't give it out to anyone. And if somebody does manage to access your Venmo account at some point, they won't be able to actually get it without that PIN. If you do think your account has been compromised, whether someone accessed your account or you lost your phone, whatever it may be, head to help.venmo.com and tap troubleshooting. For more ways to stay safe online, head to cyberguy.com and be sure to sign up for my CyberGuy Report newsletter.